Hey, welcome back. Christine Regan Lake here. Good to be back again. It is Mother's Day today, and I actually wanted to share a story with you um, about my breakfast. So, I've been divorced 7 years, and this morning for Mother's Day, my ex-husband and my son both took me to breakfast. And, we had a really beautiful breakfast, chatting, talking, catching up with our son about what's going on. And, I've talked to a lot of people over the years about my situation in terms of how my ex husband and I went through our divorce. And there's like time and time again, I cannot even tell you how many times people would say, "Wow, I can't believe you were able to do that. That's incredible." So, my ex husband and I, for the last 10 years, have lived on the same property in two separate houses. Um, we've been divorced for 7 years, but separated right after we got here 10 years ago. And we have been able to be there for our children every day. In this situation, our children were both able to see us every single day. And I have to be honest with you, it took a lot of, I would say, maturity on both of our ends to be able to have made this work for 10 years. And it's been a blessing. When we moved here 10 years ago, I didn't know anybody, I didn't have any friends. We had closed our business. And, all through those 10 years, we've had each other's back. And we'll do, on holidays, we'll do family dinners together. Um, and we made a commitment to our sons when we decided to go through our divorce, um, that we were family for life. And it has been it has been a huge blessing for our children, and I think for Michael and I, in terms of being able to, you know, always come together as a family whenever there were challenges with the boys or issues or, with businesses and things like that. And I feel so blessed and grateful that Michael and I were able to do that, both for our children and, just for, um, respecting each other. He is the father of my children. And because of that, he will hold a place of respect and honor in my family for life. And when I actually just began the process of going through the divorce, I said to my family, treat Michael like we're still married. This is the father of my children, and he is our family for life. And I think that when you go through a divorce, it is so important to remember that your spouse, even though your marriage may not have lasted and for whatever reason had to come to an end, that person is the father or mother of your child. And because of that, they deserve a position of honor. They deserve to be treated with respect. My children have never once heard me say a bad word about their father, and they never will. Because when you speak harsh, harmful words into a child's ear about their parent, that is psychological warfare. It is completely destructive, and it is harmful to the child. It doesn't matter what you did or didn't get out of your marriage. To plant seeds of destruction in a child's mind about their parent is harmful, and it is unkind, and it is selfish. It doesn't you If you believe that your, spouse, wasn't the best spouse and whatever, that's between you and your spouse. The relationship between a child and their parent is their own relationship, and it is up to that child to decide who that parent is and that kind of thing. Um, Now, I've never obviously promoting someone stay in like a violent situation or anything like that. But what I am telling you is whatever the situation is, you have control over what comes out of your mouth. And if you have children with someone, it is absolutely critical that you speak about that child's parents in the highest way possible for the child's self-worth, because 50% of the DNA and 50% of the blood running through that child is that is that parent's. And so when you say, my ex is stupid, my ex is whatever, you are saying that to the child. They are hearing, I am stupid, I am this. So words are sacred, and words come with a huge responsibility. So for anyone who is going through a divorce or been in a divorce or is divorced, um, no matter what you're feeling, no matter what anger, rage, resentment you feel about what you did or didn't get, love your children enough to speak about their parent with respect and enable that child to develop their own independent relationship with that parent. It's not your job to poison their mind against that individual. So I just wanted to share that because, like I said, I've had so many people over the years say that they never could have done what Michael and I did. And I think it's on a whole worked out as a blessing for all of us, our entire family, being able to have done this all this time for 10 years. We're actually now going to be putting the property up for sale, and so the dynamic will change. But what will not change is that my ex-husband will be treated and spoken of with honor and respect for the rest of his life, because he is the father of my children and he deserves that place of honor. So just wanted to share that with you on this Mother's Day, and I hope you found value, and I look forward to speaking with you again soon. Thanks. Bye.